This is Barbara Klare, your realtor for Cape Coral, Fort Myers, Lee County, Punta Gorda, and Southwest Florida. Good morning from Cape Coral, Florida. This is the Southwest Cape here. It's an exceptional neighborhood, no flood zone, and we're going to go look at a house that was just completed and it's on the market now. Here's an idea of the neighborhood. There's all new houses around here, which is kind of like what I like to show buyers. Okay, this is Patricia Null, and she's the listing agent. I have known Patricia probably over 20 years. She's a great agent, really knows what she's doing, and she has this house listed on the market, and it is awesome. So what is unique about this new construction home compared to many others?
Well, first of all, I think the builder himself has a lot of input, and he's always here supervising. He has huge attention to detail. And some of the things that they do is like the frame around the windows. Most houses don't have it,
No.
you know, the wooden frame and on the doors as well. But the windows itself, they they put this amazing European cabinets.
The styling of the house is wonderful. He has incredible taste.
Yeah, he does. He's very.
And it shows.
Yeah, everything that he does is very nice, and he likes to have everything straight.
Absolutely.
The walls have to be straight. Everything has to be well done.
Yes.
One of the I think main features is the main master bathroom. And we'll look at it later. The pool is really nice.
It's gorgeous.
Like 28 by 14, something like that.
Gorgeous.
And the lanai is huge.
It's not what you see in the standard new construction at all.
No.
And also we put a heavy cage in.
Yes. And we have an outdoor shower.
Outdoor shower. That's nice.
Cold water, and we have a kitchen outside. And this house is located facing south. The rear is facing south. So
you have sun all day.
All year. But you also have that lanai where you can sit there in the shade.
In the shade, you look at your sunny pool.
And then in this particular location, we have a oversized triple lot. It's bigger than a triple lot. It's 130 wide by 125 deep. So lots of room for, I don't know, extra toys.
But potentially somebody could build an extra structure on the side for storage.
Yeah, I mean, it's allowed to build another shed or something, and I mean, obviously you could build a garage if you want.
You could build an additional garage space, right? Why not?
The neighborhood is great. I like it.
Yeah,
also the houses are newer.
It's so convenient, this neighborhood, and it is the Southwest Cape.
Yes, Southwest Cape, but you are like, I don't know what I say, about a mile away from some of the shops, Aldi's, Farmer Joe's on Pine Island Road,
and all the schools right around here.
Schools and churches that are around here that you can walk to,
or
ride your bike, or ride whatever.
It's pretty unusual, and also then Pine Island Road, it really gets you out of the Cape really quickly. Access to I-75. Birdstor Road. So I mean, it's a great location.
Very good location. But the house itself is beautiful.
It is gorgeous.
A lot of attention from the builder.
Yeah, I had a custom home built with this builder, and I just thought it was exceptional. Of course, the owners put a lot of personal touches, and but it's just gorgeous.
Yeah, that was a custom house. But,
so how long does he take to build, start to finish, let's say?
So the permit took a long time. I don't know what.
Permit takes always.
The initial phase from August up to 2023 to May is when they were issued the permit to start building. So
from permit,
maybe 10 months.
10 months from permit, so that's not terrible.
No, not too bad at all.
I mean, compared to a lot of others that are taking 2 years, this is really, really good. So the permit might take long, because especially if he makes any changes or upgrades, or something's crazy with the lot, like they might have owls or something, it'll take longer. But otherwise, 10 months is exceptional.
Yeah, I think Did we mention that it's in a no flood zone?
No flood zone. Let's
Yes.
mention that again. That means you do not have to get flood insurance. And you do not have to fear about drowning because the new homes have a higher elevation. Now they're up to what, 10 foot? They're like a little over 10 feet in the elevation.
Yes.
So you're probably not going to get flooded.
Yeah, very important because if you're financing, the lender isn't going to require flood insurance.
Yes, they won't. Flood insurance is not required, and you're not in a flood zone. So that's a real advantage here. So what do you think's going on with our real estate market? We have all these beautiful homes sitting on the market.
I know, and a lot of beautiful new homes and a lot of we have visitors. And a lot of inventory. So some of the houses that are selling that are new, obviously they've been priced down.
Yeah, they're getting priced with buyer accessible pricing.
Yeah.
So
this same house a little further south sold last year within a week.
Sure.
For like 750, and now this one is 650.
Yeah, that's a pretty good deal. So if you're a buyer, not only do you have an exceptional choice of homes to choose from, the prices are going down, and the owners and builders are getting really more aggressive with their prices so they can move inventory. So just keep that in mind. Okay, this house has European windows. This is unbelievable. I just realized that. And Patricia's going to demonstrate how they open. Look at that, people.
Very nice.
Of course, they're all heavy impact glazed windows.
There's a screen right here.
With a screen. You need screens here. I usually don't take bathrooms, but this one is too much, okay? It's just so exceptional. If you're looking to buy this home or have one just like it built, just give me a call. This is Barbara Klare, Jones & Company.